Hello all, this is Pavitra. I posted some of questions in Instagram, right? Today I come up with a solution for those questions. While let's begin the session. Here the first question. This question is from coding and decoding. In setting code, figure is written as 36. How layout can be written in that code? How to remember place values and opposite place. I have posted one video in YouTube. Please watch that video. Here, what is the place values for figure? That is fig 6, I9, G7, U21, R18, E5. What is the sum of these numbers? 66. What is the sum of 66? 12 into 3 will give the result as 36. Now, similarly layout. That is L12, A1, Y25, O15, U21, T20. What is the sum of these numbers? 94. What is 9 plus 4? 13. 13 into 3 will give the result as 39. Answer is option B. I hope it will be clear. Moving forward to next. There are 6 tasks and 6 persons. Assume, let consider P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Tasks are T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Now, task 1 cannot be assigned either person 1 or person 2. Task 1 cannot be assigned either person 1 or person 2. Task 2 must be assigned to either person 3 or person 4. Person 3 or person 4. Now, these can be arranged in how many ways? 2 ways. Right? Next, for T1, here I am fixing, let's assume here I am fixing P3. Then how many persons are left up? That is P4, P5, P6 and P3. Yes, here I am fixing P3. That is nothing but here P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Yes, these are the 3 peoples, right? I can assign T1 task to these 3 persons. Now, can I take it as 3? Yes, 3 into 2 into next. These 4 tasks can be assigned in 4 factorial ways, right? 4 factorial. Now, 3 into 2 into 4 factorial, that is nothing but 144 ways. Answer is option C. I hope it will be clear. Moving forward to next. 4 sisters Sammy, Tommy, Yui, Via playing a game such that loser get double the money of each other players from their share. They played 4 games. Each sister lost 1 game in alphabetical order. I am arranging in alphabetical order. That is Sammy, Tommy, Yui, Via. These are the 4 persons arranged in alphabetical order. Now, each person lost 1 game. Means they played 4 games. In that 4 games, each sister lost 1 game, right? At the end of 4th game, each sister had 32 rupees. Let's take 32, 32 and 32 and 32. Okay. Now, if Via lost her game, she will get half of the money from other people, right? Means 16, 16 and 16. She will get, Via get how much money? 16 into 3 plus 32 will give the result as 80. Via get 80 rupees. Next case, if Yui lost the game, then 8 and this is 40. What is 8 plus 8? 16. 16 plus 40 will give the result as 56. 56 plus 6, 72. Now, if Tommy lost the game, then 4 and this is 36 and this is 20. She will get how much money? 34 plus 4 will give the result as 40. 40 plus 20, 68. Next, if Sammy will lose the game, 34 and here 18, here 10 and she will get how much money? 66 rupees. Answer is option C. What he is asking, how much money did Sammy starts with? That is 66 rupees. I hope it will be clear. Moving forward to next. Students are sitting in a class according to the marks obtained by them previous examination. 4 students secured equal marks and therefore same rank. To decide the seating arrangement, a teacher wrote down all possible arrangements, separate bits of papers. How many bits of papers are required? How many students are there? 4 students. How many bits of papers are required? 4 factorial ways. 4 factorial ways are required. That is 24. Answer is option A. Yes, moving forward to next. In a group of 6 girls, okay, P, Q, R, S, T, U. These are the people. Each of them drives one car among these are the cars. None of them drives same car. Okay, P don't drive even number car. Okay, S drives C4. S drives C4. C5 is driven by either or U. Okay, Q drives C1 and C2 car is not driven by T. C2 car is not driven by T. Right? Next, each car is driven by P and T respectively. Okay, here C2 is not driven by T, that is nothing but, okay, P drives not even number car, means it can be odd number car, right? Now these two people are either C5, means C5 is driven by either or U, right? What is the left of the odd number car? That is C3. Now can I fix for P is C3? Yes, P is C3 and Q is C1. Now what about the left of the car? For this is not T2, that is nothing but here T2 or T2, right? What is the left of the car? That is C6. Yes, T is C6. What he is asking, which car are driven by P and T? P is C3 and T is C6. Answer is option A. I hope it will be clear. Moving forward to next. No speed is a race. Syllogisms. No speed is a race. No speed is a race. Only few lotions are speeds. All cranes or races. All cranes or races. Right? Now, what is the conclusions? No race is a speed. No race is a speed. Yes, true. Right? No race is a speed. No speed is a race. That is nothing but no crane is a speed. Right? No crane is a speed. Yes, conclusion 1 follows. All lotions can never be races. All lotions can never be races. Can never be races. Yes, means some lotions are speeds. No speed is a race. Right? Both 1 and 2 follows. I hope it will be clear. Moving forward to next. The distance between P and Q is 756 kilometers. Train A starts from point P 8:30 and the speed of 72 km per hour. Train B starts from point Q 9 am, the speed of 80 km per hour. Now, train B, this is about train B and this is about train A. Now, train A covers in 1 hour 72 kilometers. 1 hour 72 kilometers. Now, what is the time between 11:30 to 8:30? 3 hours. What is 72 into 3? 216. Now, similarly, what about B? What is the time between 11:30 to 9? 9 to 11:30, there are 2.5 hours. Now, in 1 hour, it will cover 80 kilometers. Now, what about 2.5 hours? That is 2.5 into 80 will give the result as 200. 200. Now, what is the sum of these two trains? 216 plus 200 will give the result as 416. Now, total distance is 756. What he is asking, what is the total distance between both the trains at 11:30? Right? 756 minus 416 will give the result as 340 kilometers. Answer is option C. I hope it will be clear. Please do subscribe my channel and please do share my channel. Thank you.